Hi everyone, my name is Anamika. I am the owner of brand Vaishi, and today I wanted to share my experience of lash lift. Now, first I would like to share with you why I went for lash lift. The reason being, I am a busy woman. I have a kid to look after. I have my own business, and I have to look after my parents, my in-laws, my home. There's so many things which we today women multitask that it hardly give us time to do rest of the things. So if there is anything which comes across, something which will help me in reducing my time, or say it saves my time, then I go for it. For example, I go for my keratin regularly, I go for my brows regularly. Like I have done my brow tattooing, or what should I say, brows coloring also. And then I went for lash lift, and I have also gone for my lip pigmentation removal. That is because whenever I used to step out, I used to be very conscious about my dark lips. So to keep them looking neutral, I went for lip pigmentation, and I do not feel that I do not care if I'll be judged about it, and I'm very honest about it. And if you want to go through the videos of my lip pigmentation removal, then I'll give you the link which has all detail. Right now I'm going to talk about lash lift. So I got this done from one of my friend as well as a doctor, Dr. Shikha Bhandari. She lives in Gurgaon. She has a clinic in Amritsar also. They are very popular, and they're very reliable. I would not let others even touch my eyelash. I don't trust them, but I trust her fully. So she told me that it's a very simple procedure of 10-15 minutes, which will not hurt you at all. There will be no pain at all, and it will make my eyelash look brighter, longer, and little fuller as well. So it is way different from eyelash extension, which takes a lot of hours, and I think it takes 2 hours or 3 hours for lash extension, in which they actually put false lashes into your false lash line, your lash line. And that's a very complicated procedure, and it lasts for like 3 weeks. So I'm never going to do eyelash extension for sure. I'm game for nail extension, but not eyelash extension. But lash lift it's a procedure where your natural eyelashes gets a little uplift. They are little, they look little longer, and they are uplifted, and they get a little volume because of this process. That's it. So right now I have eyelash lift done. It's a very simple 10-minute procedure, and it will not hurt. Maybe sometime it might hurt if you have very sensitive eyes, but that too I'm not too sure. Maybe doctor can take care of it. You can speak to her. She's very approachable. You can go to her Instagram account and talk to her, so, and clear all your doubts. So it took me 10-15 minutes to get it. And you know what, how long does it last? It lasts for like 2.5 months. I was shocked to know that. And honestly, it's your personal choice. If you think how much time does it take to use a lash curler, and I actually am an owner of Vaishi lash curler, and it doesn't pinch at all. But there are some women who are not comfortable using lash curler, and if you're a working woman, you do not want to use lash curler, if or you are in a hurry, and it just takes 10 minutes, so why not go for it? So I thought I'll try it, and I'm going to show you how much difference it makes. I am not going to use any curler for this, and I'm going to show you now how long and curled my lashes look now after getting my lash lift done. And it's a very simple procedure, guys, and it's not very expensive also. So you can check the price with them, since it is a new concept in India. It's not very popular in India right now, so you can take the benefit and get them at a cheaper price. So I'm using this Color Bar Volumizing Lash Illusion Mascara Duo, which is basically a volumizing mascara at one end and lengthening mascara at the other end. So I have very poker straight lashes, so when she gave curl to them, I really like the process. But like I said, it's completely it's completely your choice whether you want to go for it or not. And see, since my lashes are already curled, it immediately shows the difference in the length. I hope you can see it. And they do only the upper one, not the lower lashes. Now I'm going to use the volumizing one. So whenever you take out the mascara, guys, to avoid clumps, always, do this. Wipe out the excess from your wand. So now my lashes look way too fuller. I like the after effect. So somebody who is not comfortable using eyelash color, or who do not have the time and they do not want to take the pain of eyelash color, and their lashes are very very straight and they want them to be little uplifted, then this is a thing for them. So there are few precautions which one has to take after getting the procedure done. First of all, no applying of any water or water weight product or oil based product on your lashes till 48 hours. And don't use waterproof mascaras because they tend to harm the lashes, or there was something which she told me, I don't remember, so I don't use waterproof mascara. And you can skip the eyelash curler. And yes, do go for a licensed or a reputed doctor for this. And I'm going to mention Dr. Shikha Bhandari's number, link and everything in the description box. If you are nearby, then you can go for her. You can mention my name, she might offer you discount. Of course, I'm not getting paid for that, but I'm sure she will offer you a discount for it. And that's about it. If you have more question, then let me know in the comment section. I'll be very very happy to answer them. And yes, I'm wearing this dress from one of the homegrown brand, who's also a friend. That's Shukala label. That's from one of my friend from Vaishi days. I know her since 10 years and I find this very summery and comfortable. So do check out their page as well and support small scale women entrepreneur business. It really helps. Every piece is a big help. So I hope you like this video, and if you want me to do more videos like this, then hit like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section. Bye.